my slinky. It's mine for all because Mom kind of left it and she said we can keep it.
Okay.
Skipping rope. I'm here, guys.
Hey, what's up? No, let's hold the other side. You can't skip with that thing. It will make you fall. Let's see how long it is.
You wanna see how long it is? Go back.
Don't hit each other and make sure you're holding very strongly.
Hold very tight. This is how long it is, guys. Now head off to this is how long our
Let me see how many steps. From here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 steps long. Yes?
I've heard again that every step you take, they give you money.
Where is that now?
Kind of done with that.
I wonder where that is. Every step you take, they give you money. That's not possible, my baby.
That's a free game for you.
It's not possible. Money doesn't come from just walking.
Yes, I've heard again of that.
Okay, no problem. You check it out on your phone, I guess.
Alyssa has 2 hats on her phone.
Okay.
To raise money.
It's drizzling again.